DualSync allows you to stream to both your Starkey hearing aid and your Bimodal audio processor simultaneously. Start by pairing your Starkey hearing aid to your iPhone or other iOS device. To do so, go to the device settings and select Accessibility, and then select Hearing Devices. Before pairing, you will need to make sure that both your audio processor and hearing aid are turned off, and the My Starkey app is closed. Turn on Bluetooth and then switch on your Starkey hearing aid. Select the hearing aid when it appears on the screen, and then select Pair. You have now successfully paired your Starkey hearing aid to your mobile device. Once your hearing aid is paired with your mobile device, you can sync it with your Bimodal audio processor. Open the AudioKey app. Select the Menu button in the upper left-hand corner and select Connectivity Options. Under Hearing Aids, select the combination that applies to you. Review the important information on the screen and then select Next. When the hearing aid symbol appears, make sure your hearing aid is close to your device and select Next. When the processor symbol appears, turn on your Sonnet 3 and select Next. If your processor doesn't connect at first, simply wait a few seconds and select Try Again. Once the success window pops up, select OK. You can now enjoy bimodal streaming. With both devices connected, you don't need to use the AudioKey app to enjoy streaming. To ensure your devices are both connected and ready to stream, head back to Settings, select Accessibility, and then select Hearing Devices. At the top, both of your hearing devices should be shown as connected. If you do not see both devices, simply turn your Bluetooth off and back on to refresh the connection. Then you will be able to enjoy bimodal streaming with DualSync.